Okay, this drill 1, pleadings, says create a new document, search for pleadings, download the legal pleadings form with 28, save the document as a template with the following file. Okay, you go to File, go to New, right here, search pleadings. I think it's about the third one down. Let's say 25, 28. So click on this one, create, and do File, Save As, scroll over, it says Pleadings, go right here, it says save the document as a template. The purpose of a template is to have for all the time so you can just pull it up. So here the word template and then click save. Right. That should do it for you. Let me know if it doesn't.